Good morning, guys. Brian with VetteSource here. Friday morning. Got one last molding I'm going to be featuring for a while. I promise this is the last one I have as far as new old stock goes. Again, I'm going to swing back around to the 35th anniversary moldings. If you look back to my previous videos from a few days ago, I did a molding, 35th anniversary molding on the driver's side for the fender panel, which had the tune port injection script molded into it. Now, just a quick recap, 1988 35th anniversary Corvettes were made 1 year only to commemorate the 35th anniversary of Corvette production. White cars, white wheels, white steering wheel, white door panels, white seats, white everywhere. So there was a few black contrasting pieces on the car to kind of give it a break from all the white, but even the bumper moldings were white. So this would be a 1988 35th anniversary bumper molding, rear driver's side, passenger side, I'm sorry. No, I take that back. This is the front bumper side molding. I'm backwards here today. In white. Now the unique thing about these new old stock parts that I have for these 35th anniversaries is that they're really hard to come by because they only made 2,050 of these cars in the 35th anniversary trim. So likewise, when it went to making replacement parts, they didn't make as many replacement parts for these. So coming across these in original packaging still that have not been used is a pretty amazing feat. So I've held this one for a while. As you can see, it's original, genuine GM parts. Part number of this one is 1012-3016. Corvette 35th front bumper passenger. And again, remember I was saying on the even numbers, you can tell, at least for C4s and down, that's going to be a right hand side. I'm not going to take it out of the package just because it's kind of a special piece, but you can kind of see in here, if I can focus in on it, that's the slot where it slots into where against your front center molding goes across the front of the front bumper. And then what's interesting is it doesn't actually even have captive bolts. It's just got a basic little notched setup clip that pulls that in and keeps it in place. So, in a way, they almost weren't made to be reusable because these clips would kind of wear out over time. But looking at it, it's a really nice piece. It's always been climate controlled, so there's no warpage or damage to the white trim itself. Again, if I had a 35th anniversary, I'd probably just hold on to it just because. But since I don't, I'd really prefer to just move it down the road to somebody or another collector that might have one of these cars and could use it, because I'd rather see it back in production than sitting wasting away. So this one's available for sale. If you have an interest, you can give me a call at 832-654-7367. My name is Brian, as always, with VetteSource. I've been doing this for over 20 years, so give me a call if you have an interest, or you can reach me below in the comments section. Tomorrow, I may give you guys a break tomorrow on parts. I'm not sure. I've got some other things I've got to do. I've got to go out of town, so I may have another parts video for you tomorrow, but pretty soon I'm going to get back into working on some of the cars, so I'll show you guys some of that. So, as always, I appreciate you sticking around to the end, and I will catch up with you guys next time. See you then.